Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly accumulate wealth, while others, no matter how hard they work, remain trapped in the cycle of poverty? It's a question that's baffled many. Is it about destiny? Is it about luck? Or is it about some secret formula only known to a select few? Let's debunk some myths first. Wealth creation isn't just about clocking in more hours at work or frantically chasing promotions. It's not about coming from a well-off family or winning a lottery. No, it's not about luck either. Wealth creation is about something entirely different. It's about working smarter, not harder. It's about understanding the rules of the game and then playing it to your advantage. It's about leveraging your resources, your time, and most importantly, your mind in the most effective way possible. This is not about luck. It's about understanding the principles that govern wealth creation. The first step to wealth creation is developing a wealth mindset. This is about shifting your thoughts and beliefs about money. Let's delve into this concept. A wealth mindset isn't about dreaming of riches or obsessing over material wealth. Rather, it's about understanding the value of money as a tool for achieving goals and creating opportunities. It's about recognizing that wealth isn't just about having a lot of money, but about having the freedom and ability to live life on your own terms. Now, how do you develop a wealth mindset? The journey starts with an attitude shift. You must begin to see wealth as something attainable, not just for the elite few, but for you as well. This positive attitude towards wealth is paramount. It's the seed from which the tree of wealth grows. Next, we have the practice of visualization. Picture yourself living a life of abundance. Imagine the lifestyle you desire, the experiences you want to have, the impact you want to make. Visualization is a powerful tool that primes your subconscious mind to recognize and seize opportunities that align with your vision. Equally important are affirmations. These are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to reinforce your wealth mindset. They could be as simple as, "I am capable of creating wealth," or "I attract prosperity." The key is to make these affirmations a regular part of your daily routine. Then there's goal setting. Set clear, specific financial goals for yourself. This is your roadmap to wealth. It gives you direction and keeps you focused. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a dream. So, alongside setting your financial goals, make sure you also devise a plan to achieve them. In the grand scheme of things, developing a wealth mindset is about embracing the belief that you are deserving and capable of financial success. It's about fostering a positive relationship with money, one that empowers you to make wise financial decisions and take calculated risks. Remember, your mindset determines your reality. If you believe you can become wealthy, you will. The second step to wealth creation is acquiring financial knowledge. This is about understanding how money works. To put it simply, financial knowledge is the understanding of how money is made, managed, and invested. It's about comprehending the mechanics of wealth creation, and it's an essential tool in your journey towards financial freedom. But why is financial knowledge so crucial? Well, imagine you're a ship captain. You wouldn't set sail without a clear understanding of how to navigate the seas, would you? The same applies to your financial voyage. Without the right knowledge, you might find yourself drifting aimlessly, or worse, sinking in a sea of debt. Now, you might be thinking, where do I start? The good news is, there are plenty of resources available to help you expand your financial understanding. Firstly, books. There are countless books out there written by financially successful individuals. These books can teach you valuable lessons about money management, investment strategies, and the mindset required for wealth creation. Some popular titles include Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, and The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason, to name a few. Secondly, seminars and workshops. These are fantastic platforms to learn from experts in the field. They provide an opportunity to ask questions, engage in discussions, and even network with like-minded individuals. While some seminars may require a small investment, the knowledge gained can be invaluable. Thirdly, learn from successful entrepreneurs. These individuals have navigated the financial seas and reached their destination of wealth. They have made mistakes, learned lessons, and found success. Their stories can be a treasure trove of practical tips and insights. You can learn from these entrepreneurs through interviews, biographies, and even social media platforms where they often share their experiences and advice. Remember, Acquiring financial knowledge isn't a one-time event, but a lifelong process. The financial world is ever-changing, and it's crucial to stay updated. Make learning about finances a regular part of your routine, whether it's reading a chapter of a financial book each day, listening to a finance podcast during your commute, or attending a seminar every few months. In conclusion, financial knowledge is a critical pillar in the architecture of wealth creation. It's the compass that guides you through the financial seas, helping you make informed decisions and avoid potential pitfalls. It empowers you to take control of your financial future rather than leaving it to chance. So, start now. Pick up a book, sign up for a seminar, follow a successful entrepreneur. Immerse yourself in the world of finance. Remember, every piece of knowledge gained is a step towards your goal of financial freedom. Financial knowledge is power. The more you know, the more wealth you can create. The final step to wealth creation is implementing and refining a wealth creation strategy. This is about taking action. So, you've developed a wealth mindset, you've acquired financial knowledge, and now you're ready to dive into the fun part, implementing your wealth creation strategy. This is where the rubber meets the road, where theory becomes practice, where dreams become reality. Wealth creation isn't a one-size-fits-all game. It requires a clear, actionable plan tailored to your individual circumstances, passions, and skills. You see, the most effective wealth creation strategies leverage your unique strengths and the opportunities available to you. Consider the stock market, for instance. It's a proven wealth creation vehicle that has been around for centuries. Investing in stocks allows you to become a part owner of successful companies, benefiting from their growth and profits. But remember, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires patience, research, and an understanding of market trends. Real estate, on the other hand, offers a tangible way to build wealth. Whether it's rental properties, flipping houses, or commercial real estate, each avenue offers its own set of rewards and challenges. Real estate can provide a steady income stream, potential appreciation, and tax advantages. But it also requires capital, time, and management skills. Starting a business is another powerful wealth creation strategy. It provides an opportunity to create something from scratch, to bring value to the market, and to reap the financial rewards of your effort and innovation. However, it's important to remember that entrepreneurship is not for the faint-hearted. It requires risk-taking, resilience, and relentless determination. Now, these are just a few examples. The point is, your wealth creation strategy should align with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and lifestyle preferences. It's about finding the right balance between risk and reward, between passion and profit. And remember, your wealth creation strategy is not set in stone. It's a living, evolving blueprint that changes as you grow, learn, and adapt to changing circumstances. It's about constant refinement, learning from mistakes, and making course corrections along the way. Let's be clear, wealth creation is not an overnight success. It's a journey, a marathon, not a sprint. It requires discipline, patience, and perseverance. It's not always easy, but the rewards are well worth the effort. So what are you waiting for? Your journey to wealth creation begins now. It's time to take the knowledge you've gained, build your wealth creation strategy, and put it into action. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Every great journey begins with a single step. And remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Action is the key to wealth creation. Once you have a plan, don't hesitate. Start today. To recap, wealth creation is a process that involves developing a wealth mindset, acquiring financial knowledge, and implementing a wealth creation strategy. These elements, when combined, can pave the way to financial prosperity. Now it's over to you. The ball is in your court. The principles and strategies have been laid out. It's time for you to take that bold step. Start your wealth creation journey today. It's never too early or too late to start. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. As you embark on this journey, it's important to stay informed and updated. There's a wealth of information out there waiting to be tapped into. And one of the best ways to stay in the loop is right here on this channel. We're dedicated to providing you with valuable content that will guide you as you navigate the path to financial freedom. So, if you found value in this video, do us a favor. Hit that like button. It helps us reach more people like you, people who are hungry for financial success. And while you're at it, why not subscribe to the channel? That way you won't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Remember, Wealth creation is not about luck. It's about understanding and applying the principles that govern it. Start your journey today and become the millionaire you've always dreamed of being. You have the power to change your financial future. The question is, will you seize the opportunity? Remember to always take action and believe in yourself. I will see you in the next video.